Hey people, Garrett here from iDigi Affiliate, and today we're going to be promoting the $25 all-in-one digital business using My Lead Gen Secrets and ChatGPT, possibly. I don't know if we're going to use ChatGPT. Might just use something I did. Might not need ChatGPT, what I'm trying to say. Now, the reason we promote the $25 business is because it's affiliate program. So even if you don't use this method on which to promote it, this is the product to promote because it's 80% recurring income, guys. You make 80% off of any product, but it's two products that got recurring commissions, and that's what we're going to promote. That's why we're going to make a lot of money. All right, guys. So if you guys are interested, make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and let's get started. All right. So first and foremost, we're going to look at our results here. Looks like we didn't get a sale yesterday. Totally fine and not a big. I'm going to refresh the page here. Make sure I show real results here. All right, looks like we did not get a sale yesterday. Totally fine, not a big deal at all. Not a big deal at all. All right, so what we're gonna do, guys, I'm gonna show you guys how to get the links to this particular program here. It's pretty simple, but I want to show you guys anyway. Before I do that, this is the link that I'm gonna promote, that I've been promoting, that seems to work best for me. I tried a few of these links. This is the one that kind of works for me. I get clicks, I get conversions with this link here. All right, so with this particular method, all right, so anyway, guys, what you want to do, you're going to go to my description. You're going to see step 1, step 2. Now step 1 has a link. You click on that link, take you to this page here. Now, what is this page? It's basically like a sales letter for the $25 business in general, how much money you can make, what it is, blah blah blah, stuff like that, right? Essentially, it's a funnel builder. It's a pretty good funnel builder for $25 per month. If you are a funnel builder type person who build funnels, you know that's a pretty good deal. So it's a pretty good product. You don't have to worry about that. Now you can make $20 to $100 monthly commissions for each sale, guys. Each sale, which is fantastic, and that's the reason we're promoting this product in particular. The program. The program is why we're promoting it, not the particular product, but the program, the affiliate program. It's fantastic. So you go to Yes I Want In, right? Go to Yes I Want In. You put in all your basic information, the blah blah blahs. You get down here, you see get the product, boom, you got the product, right? Now one thing I want you guys to do is click on this right here. This is use my link, you get HBA Premium for 14 days for free. Basically it just teaches you how to promote this product. When we find different ways on how to promote it, we add it to the list of ways to promote it. Like for example, LinkedIn wasn't up here, podcasting wasn't up here when I joined the system. Like these particular things wasn't up here when I joined the system. They're added now because somebody has promoted it, gotten good results, and told us, hey, this works really well, right? So that's what we're gonna do. And plus, sites kind of change their rules a lot, so you might have to change the way you promote it. You know what I mean? So yeah, you get all that for free for 14 days. And plus, the coolest part about this is if you manage to get a sale with this particular product here, manage to get a sale with it, it's $125 per month. You get $100 per month if you manage to do that. Wow, you own a 14-day free trial. That's pretty fantastic. All right, guys. So you just complete go to get instant access. Boom, boom, boom. Right? Really fantastic. All right. So now, just log in, do all the stuff you need to get your links, right? All right, you got your links. Now you need to promote the links. And what I'm going to show you is the absolute easiest way to promote these links that I have found that works. All right, guys, works. It works. Works for me. I've been showing y'all every day it works. And yeah, we're just going to continue with that. So the first thing you need to do is go to my second link. It's going to say My Lead Gen Secrets. Click on that link, take you to this page here. What is My Lead Gen Secrets? You get 100 leads a day. You can email once per day. So you just log in here. We're going to go to the mailing system. Go to the mailing system. We're going to click on all our leads like that. Now we're gonna use an email that I personally written. They seem to be doing better than the ChatGPT emails. We're just gonna stick to my emails for right now. And we're just gonna hit perfect timing. That's gonna send an email around time people check email. Now we want to preview the email. Now the first reason is to make sure the link works. All right, the link went straight to the link does work, guys. The link does work. Now the second reason is to give you guys a chance to copy the email if you guys are interested. It's pretty simple. I just pause the video here, copy that, right? And then pause the video here, copy the rest. All right, boom. That's the email there. We send the email, we are done, guys. That's all it takes. Very simple, very easy, and very quick. All right, guys. And this is the easiest way to promote this product that I found that works. All right. Now, if you want a more effective way to promote this product, I recommend shorts posted on TikTok, Instagram, and YouTube. And you post daily. Eventually, something will go viral. If you got everything set up right, eventually something will go viral, and that will translate to sales. You never have to worry about money again because it's recurring. It's recurring sales. So if they get in the system, it's possible they'll stay with you for the rest of their lives. All right. So anyway, guys, that's all it is to it. Make sure to like, comment, subscribe. Make sure to hit that notification bell, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Peace.